everyone, कैसे हैं सब लोग? Today we are going to make a GPS mount for FZ25. So in the market, as per my research, I didn't find any GPS mount for FZ25. So I'm going to make my own GPS mount. This is my bike FZ25. I have done a lot of modifications on it. So for today's modification, we are going to need these two brackets, an H5 Allen key to open my Luvia visor, a 13 number wrench to adjust the nut bolts, and this is a PVC pipe of ½ inch, and I have drilled holes on the both ends and I have installed nut bolts. So these brackets and nut bolts together costed me around 70 rupees, and I'm going to use this duct tape which I have just to wrap this pipe so that it looks better. Before we start installation, let me tell you where I'm going to install the brackets. So these are the 2 points. This is the 1, this is the 2, on which I'm going to install the brackets. Let's get started. So this is roughly how it's going to look. I have done rough installation. Let me just finish it up, and then I can show you the first draft of design. So this is the first draft of the installation. You can see I have mounted the brackets on these 2 bolts, and I have installed a rod in between. And I have modified this bracket as per the requirement. And I have not still tightened the bolts yet because I still need to wrap this pipe just for the better look. And I'll get that done and see you. As you can see, it's ready.
Amazing!
Let's get it installed. So here it is, guys. This is how it looks. This is duct tape wrap. I have tightened these bolts on this side and even this side. And this is height adjustable because this bracket has some gap. You can use this rod for mounting your GPS mount of mobile, or even you can mount your GoPro for some different angle on this. And you can see it has pretty much width, so you can use 2 mounts at a time also if you can manage it well. And now the thing pending is on the testing it on the long run to check the effect of vibration on these bolts, because I know these nuts are block nuts, they won't move, they won't budge. This won't also budge, but I'm not sure about these two because it's pretty small bolt and with not much gap to it. So let's see how it goes. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. Just let me know in the comments how you like it. This is the first time I'm making something like this. And I didn't have any GPS mount. I had to improvise. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.